Hello everyone, I'm Jaboria Scott, a leadership coach and management consultant. Welcome to the best place for entrepreneurs and corporate professionals who want management tips to lead your team towards business success. Today, we're talking about 3 habits I gave up to become unrecognizable in 2025. I know that there are so many of you who feel like you're tired after leaving work and you have families and you have so much going on that you don't feel that you have time for yourself or free time to pursue your passions. And you don't know what to do about it. You're trying to figure out when you have the time and how you can make it work in your already busy schedule. That's why I'm sharing how YouTube helped me level up in hopes that it will help you too. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Number 1, for how YouTube helped me level up, it improved my public speaking. Talking to you when I record these episodes for YouTube helped me to build my confidence with public speaking and making group presentations. That might sound strange because I'm actually talking to a camera right now. I mean, I'm speaking to you, but I'm staring at a camera. I guess you know what I mean. What I mean is that the hours that I spend talking to the camera, doing take after take, has helped me to feel more at ease with my thoughts and sharing them with people and viewers just like you. I'm usually good at talking in small group settings, but it was difficult when I first started filming videos for this channel. It took me out of my comfort zone, but the more I practiced, the more comfortable I became. Doing new things to expand our skill set, it's beneficial because it's how we evolve and how we grow. It's a skill that I can definitely use to build relationships as a useful tool for business in general. So getting better at public speaking is definitely one of those unintended benefits that make me glad that I started this YouTube channel. Number 2, for how YouTube helped me to level up, it removed unhelpful limits. I realized that I can have it all, really. A creative outlet, my work, I can do both. Here's what I mean. I noticed that over the years, my work-life balance was kind of slipping, and I was working a lot and not making any room for fun or creativity. There were a few years when I would come home so tired after work that after dinner, all I wanted to do was either read a good book or binge watch my favorite TV show. And you know how that can be. You just binge watch show after show after show. Then I'd go to bed and start the same thing all over again. Kind of boring life, right? On repeat. There wasn't any free time on the weekend either. On the weekends, I usually ran errands that I couldn't get done during the regular work week, or there's an endless list of chores to do. Then another week would start all over again on repeat, and I realized that I kind of stopped doing hobbies that I enjoyed, and I'd put my creative expression on hold. And then one year I got some well-needed advice from a friend. The person reminded me that I should never let my work cause me to forget the dreams and goals that I had for myself outside of working hours. That idea of the someday would never really come. It was the reminder that I needed. And after that, I decided that I didn't want to put my dreams or myself on pause anymore. I started traveling more, and the YouTube channel that I always wanted to start to promote my coaching business, well, I launched it. And look at where I am now. YouTube has opened a whole new world for me. I learned things that I didn't even know that I needed to learn about copywriting, about email marketing, about digital media and social media in general. And one of the best things about YouTube is that I get to build a brand and a community of viewers just like you to join me on my journey. It's been invigorating to say the least, and so rewarding to share what I've learned over the years to engage with you. And hopefully, I'll get to shorten the learning curve for you by sharing the things that I wish someone would have shared with me when I was on my leadership journey. It's taught me that I can be multi-passionate, and that's okay. So if you enjoy painting or knitting or extreme sports, whatever your thing is, it's okay to go all in, because you can work hard and pursue your passions in your own time at the same time. What I'm saying is that YouTube helped me level up because I realized that I can share with others and use it as a creative outlet. So I made video after video after video, and I've never stopped. So realizing that I could be a multi-passionate creator was definitely a huge reason why I started a YouTube channel to share my coaching skills. Let me know in the comments, what's something that you're passionate about and you want to share and start doing right now? I'm interested in knowing. Write it in the comments below, and I want to cheer you on. The third way that YouTube helped me level up is, drum roll, I stopped putting myself last. I made time to study and to learn things that would push me towards my goal, and I made it a non-negotiable. And I used YouTube to do it. I would set aside 60 minutes in the evening when the house was quiet to watch YouTube tutorials that would help me learn more about entrepreneurship. Or I'd wake up early in the morning before my morning workout, and I'd listen to audio affirmations on YouTube that helped me with mindfulness. I also made time to write a few chapters each and every day and finish my ebook. The more I focused, I started thinking about what I wanted and needed first without labeling myself as being selfish. And I was more vocal about when I needed help too. I also learned that no is a complete sentence, and I don't feel like I always have to follow it up with an explanation. I started putting myself first instead, and I'm so glad I did. Being more in tune with my own needs helps me to become more self-aware and more self-supportive. And in turn, I was also better to those around me. The ability to leverage YouTube as an information resource definitely encouraged me to create similar content by starting a YouTube channel of my very own as a leadership coach for leadership coaching content that I hope will help you. I'm so glad I did. Now, if you're watching this video and you want to discover what your personal leadership style is, take our free What's Your Leadership Style quiz. And based on your quiz results, we'll send you an action plan with tips from top leaders so that you can show up and show out as a leading authority in business. The link is in the description box below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you'll know when I post more videos just like this one. As always, have a great week, be kind to yourself, and thank you so very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.